Well done, old girl. You managed to land safely in the museum. Oh, yes. This is exciting. I think I should take a quick look around and then be on my way. Well, hello there, Mr. Zygon. Wow, brilliant. I haven't seen one of you since that trouble in Scotland. Sure. Oh my, a Sontara. Now that does bring back memories. Look at old Iron Brom. Hey, it's a Cyberman as well. By the looks of it, a very early version of one. Interesting collection we have here. You even got a Sea Devil and a Vok robot. Ha! I wonder what other surprises are in store for me. What? That Dalek just moved.
Out, or you will be exterminated!
But nah, can't be.
Out!
You're a very old-looking Dalek.
That comment does not make sense! You are inferior to the Daleks! Therefore you must be exterminated! Exterminate! Exterminate!
Now wait just a minute.
Exterminate!